How to complete a purchase order on the B2B Argip platform. Hello and welcome back. In the previous videos, we covered how to create your account, navigate the new dashboard, and find products using the platform's smart search tools, including bulk search, the matrix view, and the intelligent search bar. Now, we reach the final step, how to complete your purchase order. First step, reviewing your shopping cart. Once you have added all the products you need, open your shopping cart. Here, you can review every item, its quantity, and its packaging presentation. This is your first checkpoint. Take a moment to confirm everything is correct before moving forward. 2. A new feature you haven't seen yet, ready to ship versus needs repacking. Before we continue with the checkout steps, there is an important new feature you need to understand, and this is the first time we are covering it in this series. The new platform shows you real-time stock availability, and for certain products, you will notice two different quantities displayed. The first number, highlighted in yellow, is the stock that is already packaged and ready for immediate shipment. The second number, highlighted in red, is stock that is physically in our warehouse, but still needs to be repacked before it can be dispatched. This matters because our warehouse holds large bulk quantities. When a customer orders a specific package size, that stock sometimes needs to be prepared first. The platform now makes this completely transparent, so you can plan accordingly. How does this affect your order? If the quantity you request is larger than what is ready to ship, the system will automatically split your order, showing you the ready stock separately from the stock that needs preparation. Choosing your shipment option. When part of your order requires repacking, you will need to decide either wait for the complete order, receive everything in a single shipment once all items are ready, or split the shipment. Receive the ready stock immediately and the repacked items in a follow-up delivery. Be advised that you have to inform this decision to us within our last step, comment box, which we will cover in this video. 4. Selecting the delivery address. Next, the platform will ask you to select a delivery address. If your company has multiple registered locations, which you may have set up in the dashboard, simply select the correct one for this order. You can also add a new address directly from this screen if needed. 5. Reviewing the shipment cost. Click Go Forward and the system will automatically calculate the shipping cost based on the total weight of your order, the selected delivery address, and the applicable logistics conditions for that destination. The shipping cost is displayed clearly and separately from your product total, so you have full visibility before confirming. 6. Final confirmation. Order number and comments. On the final summary screen, you will find two important fields before you confirm. Your order number. Enter your internal purchase order reference here if your company uses one for tracking or invoicing purposes. Comments field. Use this for any special instructions such as packaging requirements, delivery notes, or documentation requests. This information goes directly to our customer service and logistics teams. Take one last look at your products, quantities, address, and shipping cost. And when everything is correct, click Confirm Order. Your order is submitted immediately and enters our processing workflow right away. That completes the full purchasing journey on the new B2B Argip platform, from creating your account to navigating the dashboard, finding products smarter, and now placing your order with full visibility over stock, delivery options, and costs. Thank you for watching this series, and we look forward to seeing you on the platform. Fast, smart, professional purchasing with Argip.